Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download music in Lark Player in 2026. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your Lark Player application on your phone. When you are here on the home screen, you need to simply look for the song which you want to download. You can also use the tabs that are given over here. You can tap on the option of discover in order to see any of the songs which you want to download. You can also use the search bar here on the top, and here you can search for the song. Once you are able to find it, simply tap on the three dots right next to it. After tapping on it, if you see the download or the save offline option here, simply tap on that and this particular song will be saved inside the application for offline listening. So this is the fastest method and it works on all of the supported tracks. But if you don't see this download button over here, you can still save your songs in Lark application using the cache feature. For that, when you tap on the three dots right next to the song, if you see the option of cache for offline, just have to tap on that and the app is going to save the audio inside its storage so that you can play it without internet. So this works even when the normal download isn't available. Now, if you already have any MP3 files on your phone, Lark Player can import them instantly. For that, you can just simply allow certain permissions when you set up your account. You can also tap on the settings icon on the top right hand corner of the screen and you can look for the option of the import songs option. When you see the import from song or scan music option, you just have to wait for some time until it shows you all of the audios or the video files here on the home screen of the application. Now, before doing both of these steps, make sure that you have allowed the permissions for the Lark application to read and basically to understand the media of your device. In order to do this, simply open the settings of your device. Here in the settings, scroll down and tap on the option of apps. Tap on the option of app management and here in the search bar, simply search for Lark Player. Here in the Lark Player app info, tap on the option of permissions and here look for the option of media and files. So here make sure that it is selected as allow. So this way you will be able to download your music in Lark Player. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.